Hello everyone, welcome to Rapid Deutsch. Let's go for shopping at a German supermarket.
Einkaufen im Supermarkt.
First of all, let us look at type of different shopping markets in Germany.
Der Supermarkt.
There are brands like Rewe, Edeka, Lidl.
Der Discounter.
Example given Aldi, Netto, Penny.
Der Wochenmarkt.
Like other parts in the world, in Germany also there are weekly markets in small town, also in some portions of big cities. They are called Wochenmarkt.
Der Bioladen.
With the organic food getting famous around the world, in Germany also there are organic food stores. They are called Bioladen. Let us look at basic vocabulary which will be useful for you when you want to go for shopping in Germany. Supermarket,
Der Supermarkt.
shopping cart,
Der Einkaufswagen.
cash counter,
Die Kasse.
vegetables,
Das Gemüse.
fruit,
Das Obst.
bread,
Das Brot.
milk,
Die Milch.
to shop.
Einkaufen.
Now let us form some sentences using this basic vocabulary.
Ich gehe zum Supermarkt.
Meaning, I go to the supermarket.
Ich nehme einen Einkaufswagen.
Meaning, I take a shopping cart.
Ich kaufe frisches Gemüse ein.
Meaning, I buy fresh vegetables.
Ich brauche Obst wie Äpfel und Bananen.
Meaning, I need fruits like apple and bananas.
Ich kaufe Brot beim Bäcker.
I buy bread at the bakery.
Ich kaufe Milch.
I buy milk.
Ich zahle an der Kasse.
I pay at the cash counter.
Mein Einkauf ist heute groß.
My shopping today is very big. Let us look at some additional vocabulary. Special offer.
Sonderangebot.
Angebot generally means offer. In this case, special offer is Sonderangebot. Organic.
Bio.
Best before.
Haltbar bis.
On most of the packaged food in Germany, you will see a date, and before that it's mentioned haltbar bis. That means to be used best before that particular date. Price per 100 gram.
Preis pro 100 Gramm.
Discounted.
Reduziert.
Let us look at some quantities and numbers. 1 kilogram of apple.
1 Kilo Äpfel.
2 liters of milk.
2 Liter Milch.
500 grams of cheese.
500 Gramm Käse.
An example.
Ich brauche ein halbes Kilo Tomaten.
Meaning, I need half a kilo tomato. Let us look at basic questions or basic questions that you may need to ask in the supermarket to some other people. Where is the milk?
Wo ist die Milch?
How much does that cost?
Wie viel kostet das?
I would like to buy, for example, milk.
Ich möchte zum Beispiel Milch kaufen.
Do you have this in small? If you want to ask something in the smaller size, then you should use this question.
Haben Sie das in klein?
I'm paying by card.
Ich bezahle mit Karte.
I need a bag, please.
Ich brauche eine Tüte, bitte.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Danke, einen schönen Tag noch.
It's not over yet. We'll look at some more examples. In Germany, the supermarkets are really very structured and the different things are placed at different sections, and these words will help you look at the different sections. So in general, Abteilung means section, or in some cases it also means department. So fruit and vegetable section,
Die Obst- und Gemüseabteilung.
refrigerated section,
Die Kühlabteilung.
meat counter,
Die Fleischtheke.
bakery or baked goods,
Die Backwaren.
frozen food,
Die Tiefkühlabteilung.
drinks corner or drinks aisle.
Das Getränkeregal.
So in German supermarkets, you will generally find, along with the cold drinks, you'll also find large or small bottles of drinking water. Yeah, so water comes in two or three flavors. One is the simple water, another is carbonated, and middle carbonated. So Germans generally drink the carbonated water. Household items.
Das Haushaltswarenregal.
Let us look at the payment options. To pay in cash.
Bar bezahlen.
Cash is called bar in German. Pay with card.
Mit Karte bezahlen.
Debit card.
Die EC-Karte.
Receipt.
Der Kassenzettel oder Bon.
Change.
Das Wechselgeld.
Let us practice some sentences.
Ich möchte mit Karte bezahlen, bitte.
I want to pay with the card. Please.
Kann ich bar bezahlen?
Can I pay in cash? Let us look at the some terms which are mentioned on a shopping receipt or bill, which is in short in German called Bon. VAT.
Mehrwertsteuer.
Total.
Gesamt.
Quantity.
Anzahl.
Item.
Artikel.
Price.
Preis.
The pronunciation of price is almost same. Only difference is in the spelling. Please watch out. Let us look at a conversation at a cash counter. So the cashier will say,
Haben Sie eine Payback-Karte?
customer. If he does not have a payback card is generally a discount card, and every supermarket sells their own payback cards so that the repeating customers get an additional discount. In this case, if I don't have a card, I will say, Nein, ich habe keine Payback-Karte.
Möchten Sie eine Tüte?
So every time you go for shopping, they will ask you if you need an extra bag. In this case, I'm saying no. Nein, danke. Ich brauche keine Tüte.
Zahlen Sie bar oder mit Karte?
Ich zahle bar.
Das macht 23,75 €.
So before you pay, the cashier will generally announce the total amount, that is for the whole shopping. And in this case, as the amount is near about 24 euros, so 23 euros 75 cents, the customer has the option if he wants to pay extra as a tip or for special help, he can say stimmt so. And in this case, for example, he will pay 24 euros. So keep the change. The change is generally used for betterment of some students or children from different regions.
Schönen Tag noch.
Tschüss. We hope that this small conversation will help you practice better at your next German shopping. It's a quiz time. Please answer the questions in the comment section. Ich möchte bezahlen. What is the meaning of this in English? A. I want to eat. B. I want to buy. C. I want to pay. Guess it and write in the comment box. Another one. What does bread mean in German?
A. Das Brot. B. Der Apfel. C. Die Milch.
Please put your answers in the comments and we will let you know if you could guess it correct or not.
Was ist das? Milch, Käse, Banane oder Brot?
I think it was easy and you could guess it right. It's banana. Let us look at some more general sentences which may be helpful in the shopping topic. I forgot my bag.
Ich habe meine Tasche vergessen.
Tasche is called bag. Also in general, for the shopping cart, you need a coin to withdraw or to pull the shopping cart, and when you put it back, you can get your coin back. For example, I need a coin for the shopping cart.
Ich brauche eine Münze für den Einkaufswagen.
Coin is called Münze. Let us see if you can answer this or repeat these questions in German. I want to buy bananas.
Ich möchte Bananen kaufen.
Please put your answers in the comment box. I pay at the checkout.
Ich zahle an der Kasse.
Last not but the least, a cultural tip. Unlike in other parts or most parts of the world, Sunday is considered as a relaxed day in Germany, and most of the shopping markets are closed. But considering the cosmopolitan nature of some of the cities, now at some of the major railway stations or in some areas of the city, there are some shopping markets still open.
Sonntags ist Ruhetag. Die meisten Läden sind geschlossen. Aber es gibt eine Ausnahme.
Ausnahme means exception.
Supermärkte in großen Bahnhöfen, zum Beispiel Hauptbahnhof, sind oft auch sonntags geöffnet.
Hauptbahnhof is generally the main railway station of that particular city. So, happy shopping and happy learning with Rapid Deutsch.
Vielen Dank fürs Zuschauen. Abonnieren Sie unseren Kanal Rapid Deutsch.
Tschüss.